Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality B. Pocker Sahib Bahadur. He was born in 1890. He obtained his law degree from Madras Law College and started practice at Madras High Court. He was the leader of Khilafat struggle in India. He was one of the founding members of the Kerala Muslim Educational Association. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Madras on Muslim League ticket. He spoke on various issues. We'll just see that. He was of opinion that English should be the official language along with Hindustani. He was in the favor of prohibition of liquor. He opposed the proposal for the Uniform Civil Code. He was of opinion that High Court should have supervisory powers over the trial courts. He spoke on various aspects of judiciary. Let's see some of them. On 21st of July 1947, quote, as regards the power of superintendence to be vested in the High Court, we are having the remedy before the passing of Government of India Act 1935. But all such remedies were excluded by the new provisions of the 1935 Act. All the litigant public have been feeling very much about the absence of the right of superintendence in the High Courts as regards the proceedings in the Mofussil Court. The result is that people are now restricted to remedy under section 15 of CPC, which is inadequate and does not cover all cases in which remedy is necessary, unquote. We are thankful to Mr. Pocker Sahib for giving his contribution in making our Constitution of India. Thank you.